The previous lesson was about nav bars. We covered lots of things there. Among the other UI elements, we find breadcrumbs and pagination controls. So let's check them out. The breadcrumbs are used for structured navigation across pages. It's basically an inline tree structure. So to generate it, you need to use an unordered list. UL, which contains, let's do 3 list items, each one of them containing a link. All right, so far we get a basic list. Add the class breadcrumb, like this, and it suddenly gets a background color and the links are all inline. You can also have dividers by using a span with a class of divider. So span with a class of divider. I'm gonna do this. Also copy it on the next link. Okay, now it's starting to look like a real breadcrumb. Finally, you can have an active item, usually the very last item in the list. So to do that, add the class of active, and you can remove the link like this. All right, perfect. And that's it really. Very simple markup and very easy to generate breadcrumbs. Pagination is mostly used for apps, search results, or blogs. The markup is very simple. You gotta begin with a container which has a class of pagination. So div class pagination. Afterwards, the links are basically an unordered list. So UL okay, something like this. So let's check it out. And that was really easy. All you gotta do is add a simple class. You can also use the disabled and active classes for customizing the links. So for example, list item class active will get you this, and list item class disabled will get you this. Now this is still clickable, remember, it's just styled to look like a disabled element. Pagination comes in all sizes. You can have large, small, and mini sizes. So let's check it out. I'm gonna add pagination, large, and you can see that it's very large. And let's just copy this so you can see the differences between large pagination, normal pagination, small, and mini. And here they are, all of them. Also, you can align them to the center or to the right. All you gotta do is add the classes of pagination center, like this, or pagination right, like this. Now, if you're looking for a simpler control for pagination, you can use the pager class for only displaying previous and next links. So let's check it out. We're going to say UL with a class of pager, which contains 2 list items with anchor tags. And the first one is going to say like prev and next. And as you can see, they add some very nice rounded buttons and automatically align them on the center. You can also align these individually to the left and to the right. All you gotta do is add the following classes: previous and next. And they will put them on the left and on the right. You can also disable one of these controls. Simply add the class of disabled, like this. As you can see, some pretty simple controls. Coming up, we'll talk about some more controls, specifically labels, badges, and some typographic components.